Hey guys, welcome to our channel. This video will guide you on how to fix Warzone that can't connect to servers on Xbox Series X and S. Your Xbox console will connect to the Microsoft servers for authentication and verification. Then it will connect to the game server for the game to load as well as to save your progress and profile information. When a game like Warzone Pacific is unable to connect to the server, you will be prompted with an error. It might be due to an internet connection problem or there's an issue with the server itself. If you're one of the gamers with this kind of issue, here are the things you need to do to fix it. First solution, force stop the game and reopen it. The game has generally been performing pretty well, except for some isolated hiccups encountered by some gamers. So if everything was smooth sailing and this problem occurred out of the blue, it's probably just a minor issue with the game. Try closing it first and reopen it to see if the lags and stuttering are gone. Here's how you do that. Press the Xbox button on the controller to pull up the side menu. Highlight Warzone and press the menu button. Now, highlight Quit and then press A to close it. After doing that, run Warzone again to see if it's still not able to connect to the server. Second solution, reboot your console. Minor technical issues occur every now and then. Perhaps this issue can be one of those cases. So if the first solution fails, try restarting your Xbox and see if the problem gets fixed. To reboot your console, press and hold on the Xbox button on your controller. When the power center shows, highlight Restart Console and press A. Select Restart and press A to confirm the reboot. A reboot will refresh the memory of your console as well as close all apps and games that run in the background. If the problem is caused by a minor technical issue, then it should work perfectly now that you've rebooted your Xbox. However, if you're still getting the same error, then try the next solution. Third solution, check the server status of the game. Server issues can mess up your gaming experience as well. That's why if Warzone started to crash out of the blue, then there's always a possibility that it's due to a server-related problem. In the case of this game, you will have to check Xbox servers. Open a web browser like Microsoft Edge, and then log on to support.xbox.com. Once the page loads, click Xbox status. Now try to see if some of the services are down or having some issues. You may also visit the Warzone official support page to know if there are currently some issues with the servers. The thing about server issues is that it can be fixed after several minutes of downtime and you don't necessarily have to do anything on your console or the game. The problem will be handled by Microsoft. Fourth solution, check your connection speed. Assuming that there are no issues with the servers, then it's possible that the cause of the server disconnection problem is your connection speed. You might have a slow connection or high latency. You have to rule out such a possibility by doing a speed test. Press the Xbox button on your controller. Highlight Settings and then press A to open it. Select General, and then highlight Network Settings and press A to select it. Highlight Test Network Speed and Statistics, and press A to begin the speed test. Wait until the test is finished and try to see if your connection speed is low or does not conform with your plan. If it's a slow connection problem, try rebooting your router as that will always fix temporary problems. Or you better call your internet service provider and have it fixed. However, if your connection is fine, then move on to the next solution. Fifth solution, delete the game's cache. Another possibility as to why a game like Warzone disconnects from its server is when its cache gets corrupted. A game cache is basically a collection of small files that the game and the firmware created to make the game run smoothly. However, there are times when they get corrupted and issues like lagging and stuttering will occur. So follow these steps to delete the game's cache. Press the Xbox button on your controller to pull up the side menu. Highlight My Games and Apps and then press A. Select See All to view all your games and apps. Highlight Warzone and then press the menu button on the controller. Highlight Manage Game and Add-ons and press A. Now select Save Data and then select Delete All to remove the cache of the game. Your console will create a new set of cache when you open the game again. So try to see if the problem is fixed after doing this, because if not, then you have no other choice but to do the next solution. Sixth solution, reinstall Warzone Pacific. Reinstalling the game should always be your last resort because the installation files seldom get corrupted. So you have to do all the previous solutions first before doing this, because you might spend an hour or two waiting for the game to be installed. But the thing is that this procedure will fix any game-related problem. So if all else fails, then you have to do it. Here's how you uninstall Warzone from your Xbox. Press the Xbox button on your controller. Highlight My Games and Apps and then press A. Select See All to view your games and apps. Now highlight Warzone and then press the menu button on the controller. Highlight Uninstall and press A. Highlight Uninstall All and press A to proceed. After it's uninstalled, restart your console and then reinstall it. The game should work perfectly after that. We hope that this guide can help fix the Warzone server connection issues on your Xbox. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and don't forget to enable the notifications. Thanks for watching.